Who did I look at this?
The camera?
No, okay.
What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be trying some, what is this, Japanese and Chinese candy and snacks. And then I got my nana here.
Hi.
Y'all seen how she was cussing me out in the last video. So I was like,
she deserved it.
No, she was cussing more than me.
Well, she know better.
Period. Okay.
Do as I say do, not as I do. Which one we're gonna try first?
I'm gonna rock, paper, scissors. You wanna shoot first?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What you doing?
I did the damn.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, break, scissors, boo boo. First, you want something sweet, or do we want to try the chips?
You can't ask me.
I'm just thinking. What you got a taste for? You want to go with something sweet?
Yeah. Ooh, do it.
Let's try these. Let's try these.
Show people.
And these are, oh gosh. Where'd I go to camera? This is what it looks like. It's three. It's three in the pack.
Looks like a It's just like a waffle. Yeah, like I think that's what it says. Okay, so on the back of it says, "Have a good time with the butter waffles of the Crown." So these are just butter waffles. Something simple. They like an ice cream cone.
Yeah. The cone yeah, waffle cone.
It's my turn. You already know I'm gonna choose something good. Okay, I'm gonna choose these. And these are marine. It says Marine Boy, and then the rest of it is in different.
Oh, those are like
goldfish.
Goldfish, yeah.
Watch these bust open.
Give it to Nana.
Talking all that smack.
2 hours later.
Light. Oh, look how light. They are so light.
They kind of smack. What bit? It tastes like fishy.
Yeah, it's got a fish taste to it. Let's do these chips. Which one did I say I seen? I said these. Let's try. I'm gonna try corn chips. I love corn snacks, so let's try these and see what we get. Oh God.
Oh, bro, they don't play about that season, boy. I trust they stuff home.
I mean, they kind of sealed, so they ought to be good and fresh.
They look like one of them Chex Mix.
Look like, yeah, oh, I love them.
Look like Chex Mix.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Good snack. Oh, God, that's real good.
I'm snack off. So what? Okay, we're gonna do this custard. It's not gonna be good.
It's what?
It says rock. I don't know.
I ain't gonna
worry about it.
Need that.
Ooh, look.
That one was easy to open.
Ooh.
Oh God, what is that?
There's two. Get your own. This might be good. I ain't getting enough of this stuff on the milk. I don't like jelly cakes and stuff. That would kind of taste like.
I can eat this. I like stuff to fill in it.
Easily sweet potato
shake snacks.
Facts, that's gonna be good.
Wait a minute. Is this? Look at this.
I don't think I'm gonna like this.
Look at this sweet potato.
It seems like it's caramelized too, don't it? Ooh, my tooth broke.
Oh Lord.
Okay, I've been looking at these too. I just don't like cookies with cream in it.
Pretty good though.
They got little teddy bears on it. Y'all see that? So cute. Okay.
You know you don't do this when you're hungry.
Those not teddy bears. It's koalas. Ooh, it smells good too.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh, look at this little koala on it. It's a koala.
Oh, and they took the time to put the design and everything on it, didn't they? Strawberry filling?
I ain't feeling it. The vanilla probably better than the strawberry.
I mean, they got the koala bear draws on it.
Silly kid. And then I get something that's nasty. Get something
Something that look
nasty.
nasty.
Don't get them. Them look. They're gonna be fine. Oh, get this part. Look at that.
Oh, I had one of them over here. No, it's the same thing. Oh, most.
No, it's like 2 of them on each.
Oh no.
Here's one, but I don't open
I know this is nasty. I'm sorry, y'all. Like the
I know.
they can see it. It's still on there.
Oh shoot.
Multigrain. So you know that's gonna be nasty. Okay.
Smack.
You thought it was gonna be nasty. You have a new one?
And a bust open this one.
Oh, you gonna eat the whole thing?
No, I'm just gonna, you get that half, I'm gonna give me another half.
No.
Shoot. Here now.
Okay.
Ooh, my voice was deep. It's my turn. You know, we finna bust up these chips. None of they want to try these so.
I don't know about the shrimp one. I don't know.
It's called shrimp chips. Shrimp chips.
I mean, I like shrimp, but I don't know.
Y'all, the way they sell these chips ain't no joke.
See how they smell. If they smell bad, I can't do it.
Woo.
They smell bad.
You better take this chip.
Oh, I don't think
Nah. So, it's fishy, y'all. It's
now
like, this is shrimp.
Oh, this is gonna work now.
Y'all, it's fishy. Like, it's fishy. I know this shrimp.
What if I throw it up? I feel like I'm throwing it up.
Yeah, you know people like to see this kind of stuff.
See?
Yeah.
See?
Nah, taste it. It's the way you gotta taste it. Okay, what we trying next?
No, but I should have got me some water. Oh, you got you something that made me now? Okay.
My booty be
Girl, really?
It's because I'm so hot.
You're right.
So hot.
Don't burn me, hell. Stop it! Okay. Stop! All if I'm not. You know, you make me start cussing. I'm trying to be nice. Oh, these are bad. They must be. Keep your nasty hands off of me. What's that? Fish chips?
These are called taco chips.
Fish shakes.
Seafood flavor. They love them some seafood over there.
Flavor. Ooh. Let me get this out of my mouth.
That ain't too good. I had to take it for a second time.
Let's try these. Try this. See what it tastes
Sitting
like.
back. Hey y'all, go listen to the Travis Green album, y'all. He turned stuff on that joint. It's so good.
It's just pop.
It don't taste like no syrup.
Probably just tastes like a rice cake, but it got it shaped like a sugar cookie.
Yeah. I can eat these.
Rice cake.
But the top, it's good.
My work will hit is just not no.
Well, I like them. The bust open his last bag of chips.
Oh, that says honey twist. You know those good.
Honey twist snacks.
Cause
They're
that
sweet.
honey
They
on
smell like French toast, like the ones you get from like Sonic. Ooh. Video. Good damn. Y'all got some strong teeth over there, ain't it? I end up busting my joint.
Ain't nothing. I mean, I can taste the honey. What's it? These?
Yeah.
These are just rice.
Rice and bag.
This is like the other ones. It just don't say. What was the other one say on top of it? What did the other one say that we ate?
It says sugar coated. I mean syrup
coated. That's the only difference, I think, in the shape.
I wish this one. I hope this one's salty because I kind of want some.
It's better than the other.
It was butter.
Oh my God.
It's butter. Now, I don't know what y'all doing with them rice cakes. Y'all killing the game.
And this, boy, I sure done went back on my little diet thing. Chris, don't kill me.
Don't kill her.
I'm doing this for Aubrey. She been begging me, and it happened to be a bunch of sweet shit.
I don't beg. I asked once and you do it.
Shut up. Who's you supposed to
You know too. It's grape.
Who?
It's grape.
I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, Chris, now she's trying to act fake.
I ain't trying to
Like she didn't want it.
I got a mouthful of candy stuck to the roof of my mouth.
That's good.
Oh, you don't chew like that. Hell, you're supposed to smack. Hell, when you smack, that's when you tell it's good.
You're not supposed to smack. Y'all be like, I hate that.
Make me sick.
One time this lady was smacking at school, but I was like, she was doing all that. I'm telling y'all, she was going in. And I said nice. I ain't going there rude.
Oh, I know you didn't say nothing to that woman.
Like, do you mind like smacking on your?
Oh my God! And you know
Wait.
And you know what I told you? If I'm sitting there eating my food good to me and me smacking, and you gonna come over and tell me to quit smacking, you know what I told you, honey.
I was there first.
Hey, no, I don't give a damn what.
Don't come over there in my face.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Smack on some
You
candy.
went over and told that woman when she quit
She was
smacking.
by me.
It don't damn matter.
It do matter. Don't come over here
I
by
told
me.
you, I said, you better
Don't
take your happy ass on the other side of the room.
No, I was here first.
I don't matter.
So you
and
can
I'm
take
saying
your
you're
happy.
So if I...
Hey, y'all got
Now
to chew
this
with y'all
right
mouth
here
closed.
really looks
Why I
like
gotta
it.
see what you eat?
You don't have to see what you put in my mouth.
That's how you do. That's how smacking go. I gotta see what you eating and stuff. Nana, get your piece now.
Girl, then don't play.
No, get your piece, and then you got me little sauce on this piece. Get that piece.
Bitch, fool.
Wait. Grab high.
I'm high. No, I got the...
No, you
I'm
get
on the
Billy.
You're lying. I'm on the B-Love sauce right here.
You not on the be love.
You're lying. I already
right
put
there.
my thumb up
Put
right
your
here.
thumb right there.
I'm B-Love, yeah. Over here.
Nah, that's good.
Because it's probably nasty in damn way.
This thing is
Nasty.
this thing is so stretchy. Look.
Okay.
I can suck on that.
I don't like it. Hey.
It's like, okay, I just want them to know and understand what it's like for me to hear smacking, how cringe. It's like nails on a chalkboard. Imagine if somebody just came up to your room, start scratching on the chalkboard. Y'all be mad and be like, do you mind not scratching this chalkboard? It's just like that. So don't be coming up here judging me.
Hey, maybe it's for mama if you're stumping on the floor above her head.
Right, exactly. And you come up in here asking me not to stomp. Shoot, how you know I don't want to stomp? That's rude of you to come up here and ask me not to stomp.
It ain't like it's good.
So
to you,
y'all
so I
don't
know why
judge
the
me
hell you
because I
stumping
don't
for.
like smacking.
Oh hell no! You didn't mind. What would be your best? What would be your best? Really? I was gonna say that. These. I like these. This corn snack.
You see how she put them on her side so can't nobody get to them? She planning on taking these straight on downstairs. All right,
These are a little hard, but they good too.
All right, y'all. So we just finished everything except for these cookie things because we tired of sweets. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If y'all want to see her in another one of my videos, drop it down in the comment. Let me know what's up. And then, dang, don't forget to just comment down below. And then don't forget to click the notification bell so y'all know when I post again. And then subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel.
Bye.
No, we don't say bye.
What do you
here.
say? What the hell do you
All right,
say?
y'all. I'll see y'all in this video.
Peace.
Peace.
You know, do them damn videos on.
Okay.
I get to cussing.
Over here trying to act fake.
I was trying to be nice since it was the first
Trying to be
one.
nice.
I didn't want to get on there doing all that cussing, but you know my mouth.